Alex, how's it looking out there?
Thanks, Harriet. Well, some sunshine out there, and it's not as windy as it was yesterday, so it is feeling pleasantly warm in the sunshine. Having said that, it had started to cloud over in some parts of the region, looking sunny here in Suffolk. Now, low pressure is close by, but for today, a calmer day with lighter winds, some sunny spells, perhaps some isolated showers, but most places should stay dry. The low pressure is to our north, and it will bring further showers and outbreaks of rain in the coming days. But for this afternoon, we're looking at temperatures between 17 and 19 degrees and a brisk southwesterly wind, but not as windy as yesterday. So we'll see some areas of cloud for the afternoon, some sunny spells breaking through the cloud, perhaps an isolated shower, most places staying dry and dry into the evening. Overnight, we'll start to see cloud building, and we're going to see some outbreaks of showery rain across some parts of the region by first thing tomorrow morning. So certainly looking like a cloudy and potentially wet start to the day tomorrow. So that keeps our temperatures in double figures with a good deal of cloud overnight, but we'll start the day with that cloud cover and outbreaks of rain. It's tied into this weather system here, and it's going to bring us some wet weather through the morning, followed by some sharp showers. So some of this rain could be the heavy side. It'll clear through, and then perhaps some sunshine developing, but with it some sharp showers, and any of these showers could have the odd rumble of thunder. So temperatures a little lower compared with today, around 17 degrees at best. A noticeable southwesterly wind that'll help to move those showers through fairly swiftly. So as we look ahead to the weekend, it's certainly looking like a pretty unsettled start, because this is Saturday's pressure chart. We have got low pressure right over the top of us, and that is going to bring us some rain. We'll see that rain arriving Friday night into Saturday night, looking like a fairly wet start to Saturday with some outbreaks of rain, some sunshine following on behind, and then some sharp showers. At the moment, it looks as though Sunday will be the drier of the 2 days of the weekend, perhaps some isolated showers out there. And into the start of next week, high pressure looks as though it's going to bring us some more settled weather, and once more is likely to turn a little warmer. Harriet.
Thanks, Alex.
Wants to taste something. I mean,
I know,
popcorn,
you'd be hungry
scones,
filming
don't they?
that.
Yeah, I know, exactly. Yeah, I wanted to know what they taste like.
So the weather is looking a bit mixed this week, Amelia. We have had some sunshine across the region today, but we've also had some fairly looming skies, overcast skies here in Essex. And we have seen a few showers developing across Essex in the last hour, so they're still just moving through, the odd sharp one possible. And that theme of showers is going to continue for the rest of the week and into the weekend. Sunny spells in between, but those blustery showers as the winds pick up once more tomorrow. So here's the line of showers across Essex. They'll soon fade away. A lot of the night looks dry, so there'll be initially a fair bit of cloud around, one or two clear spells, and then you can start to see some showery rain developing during the course of the night. So by dawn tomorrow, all of us should see a fairly cloudy start to the day with some patchy outbreaks of rain. So it's going to be a mild one, temperatures around 9 to 11 degrees. Now that southwesterly wind will pick up again tomorrow, because we've got low pressure driving things and these weather systems on the scene. So what that means is a fairly cloudy start, perhaps in Norfolk some early brightness, even a glimmer of sunshine, but for most of us it's cloudy through the morning, patchy outbreaks of rain, and some of this could be on the heavy side. It will clear out of the way to the northwest, but then of course a peppering of showers developing as the sunshine comes out, and some of these could have the odd rumble of thunder as well. So in terms of temperatures tomorrow, we're looking at highs of around 17 or 18 degrees, and that brisk southwesterly wind is going to pick up again tomorrow, so moderate to fresh in strength, could gust at around 25 miles an hour. This is Friday, so we've got a little bit of a gap, but we've still got the potential for a band of rain moving through on Friday. That could again be heavy, but it will quickly clear out of the way. So early sunshine across eastern counties, that band of rain pushing through, and then sunny spells for the afternoon. So for most of the day, it does look dry for Friday, but still the potential there for some of that band of rain to cross the region. 17 or 18 degrees are high for Friday. This is Saturday, so it's looking fairly cloudy and wet for Saturday. Some brisk winds, but signs are things are looking more settled and warmer into next week. Amelia.
Temperatures picking up. Thank you very much, Alex.
Hello. The weather looks warmer and more settled next week, but Before then, we've got showers or longer spells of rain. Overnight tonight, we could see 1 or 2 showers, a fair bit of cloud, and then an area of showery rain pushing up from the southwest by the end of the night. It's going to be a mild one, so most places around 9 to 11 degrees as we start the day tomorrow. This is the pressure pattern, so we've got these weather systems on the scene. What that means is a fairly cloudy start, some showery outbreaks of rain to begin with, accompanied by a brisk southwesterly wind. That will clear to the northeast, but then when the sunshine comes out, the cloud will bubble up and we could see some sharp, possibly thundery showers for the afternoon. Top temperature of around 18 degrees, looking fairly wet and unsettled to start the weekend, but it settles down into next week and it's expected to be a little warmer.